What is the Neuromodulation Workshop? The Neuromodulation Workshop is a 2-day hands-on training experience designed for doctors of all medical specialties who want to learn how to integrate neuromodulation techniques into their practice. This dynamic workshop includes an in-depth exploration of SOZO Brain Center's unique treatment protocols, patient evaluation methods, and different neuromodulation devices, all of which are demonstrated onto live patients suffering from different chronic, mental, and neurological conditions. Who is the Neuromodulation Workshop for? This workshop is ideal for physicians of all medical specialties and other healthcare professionals who are looking to expand their treatment offerings and enhance their patient care. We have trained hundreds of doctors from around the world. Neuromodulation techniques should not be used to substitute any medical treatment patients are receiving, but rather be used to support their current treatments. Therefore, this approach can be integrated into every medical practice by introducing SOZO's treatment protocols and innovative solutions for various chronic, neurological, and mental health conditions. What is the agenda? On day 1, participants are introduced to neuromodulation techniques with a comprehensive refresher on brain physiology, an overview on neuromodulation physics, and an analysis of the latest scientific literature surrounding these techniques. Next, doctors discover what neuromodulation devices we offer, while learning the safety instructions and applying them onto each other for practice. The main focus of the workshop, however, is the live patient demonstrations, where the SOZO medical team goes over a brief presentation on their medical condition before moving on to the patient evaluation. This includes taking a thorough medical history, reviewing the patient's MRI brain scan, conducting clinical examination tests to assess which area of the brain isn't functioning correctly, creating a treatment plan, and finally, applying the devices onto the patient. Day 1 concludes with dinner, providing an opportunity to connect with the SOZO Brain Center team and to ask more personalized questions. Day 2 starts with a presentation from a key opinion leader in the neuromodulation industry, where attendees gain insights in the neuroscience sphere. The day continues with a detailed presentation into the business side of neuromodulation. This includes where doctors learn to purchase these devices so they can offer them to their patients, what are the costs of operating a neuromodulation clinic, strategies to attract patients, patient disclaimer guidance, and more. After this, an additional 3 live patient demonstrations take place before wrapping up the day with an interactive Q&A session. Upon successfully completing the workshop, you will receive a certification from SOZO Brain Center recognizing your expertise in neuromodulation techniques. Where and when are workshops held? Our workshops are hosted at multiple locations around the world, ensuring that medical professionals from all corners of the globe can easily attend. With regularly updated schedules and locations, we strive to provide flexible options to accommodate a diverse range of time zones. In our first year alone, our network of doctors significantly grew as we traveled far to train and certify doctors in the USA, Austria, Switzerland, Cyprus, Kazakhstan, Australia, Lebanon, Germany, Greece, Turkey, and Spain. To see all of the upcoming dates and locations, visit our website at www.sozobraincenter.com/neuromodulation-workshop and select the option that works best for you. What skills will I gain? During the Neuromodulation Techniques Workshop, you will learn how to effectively implement cutting-edge neuromodulation treatment protocols and get hands-on practice with real patients suffering from various neurologic, chronic, and mental conditions. This training experience will not only allow you to accurately diagnose patient brain abnormalities, but you will also gain an in-depth understanding on the practical application of neuromodulation devices such as TDCS, TAVNS, and TPS. But apart from the medical knowledge and the neuromodulation business strategies you will learn, the main benefit is the access you will get to a rapidly growing, exclusive, and professional network of neuromodulation experts from around the world. Whether you need advice on a specific patient case, updates on new advancements, or suggestions on integrating the latest devices into your practice, our community is here to support you every step of the way. So, join our global network of medical professionals and elevate your practice with cutting-edge neuromodulation techniques.